So I think that was an array. Hope you remember. That was an
Yes.
array, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So today we are going to continue that, and before that we'll recap what we did, right, in the array. So I have already mentioned you that array is ordered map, and values are associated with keys. So you see, this is the array, and this is the key, and value is here, and it's there is equal to greater than operator which help to map these values with the key, right? So, and how you can create an array using this array function. Also you can use what
Yes, sir.
what we can use.
For creating an array.
No, I was creating array, dollar array. So one is the way to create array is I'll use this array function, and I'll put the elements there, right?
Yes, sir.
What was the other way?
Sir, otherwise we create it direct inside the third bracket.
Yes, that square bracket, right?
Yes, sir.
So you can rightly write this one, right? Array 2 you can suppose I'm creating. So this is the two way we can create the arrays. Now you see, I have not given any index here. So what is the default index?
Zero, sir.
Zero.
Yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. For here there will be only 0, 1, 2, right? And I can give my index here also. Suppose that's a string I'm giving. I'm just giving key 1, then equal to, then greater than, right? That is also clear how you can give the key. And key will be only either string or integer.
Yes.
Clear? This also we have discussed, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
One quick question to you. What will be the index of these three?
7.
Great. Clear now? The meaning of the why the index of this three is 7?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So now what will be the index of this 3? Any guess?
5. 5.
5? 5 or
0, sir.
so let us see. I think that will be not, that will convert into integer, because index can also be only be string or integer. So what is the integer for this 8.5?
8.
So index will be 8.
8.
What is the index in this case?
1. 1.
1. Great. So key can either be integer or string, and the value can be of any type. This is the key. This is the key. Array. I used array to create this array function to create this array, and I've just used the square bracket. And this key can be only, what type of this key can be?
String.
String and
String
what?
and integer.
String and integer. Good. And this value can be any type, like this value can be string, integer, float, array, object, null, or anything, whatever the data type supported in PHP. Now I have told you, if there is a, if this is the key, then what is actually stored as a key? 8, right?
Yes, sir.
This 08 is like a octal, so this will not convert into 8. This will be just a string, right? If
Yes,
8.7 is there float, then what will be the key? Internally stored will be 8, right?
8.
If booleans are there, true will be 1 and false will be 0.
0.
Yes. If you have written null as a key, what is stored internally in your computer? Blank. And array and object cannot be used as a key, right? Then see here. Can anybody tell me what is the output of this array?
1D.
1D. How many people are agree that this will be 1D? Anybody any confusion on this? Why this is 1D? No confusion? Because
No, sir.
yeah, because all index are 1, right? Internally all you are writing this one, but PHP is understanding this one, this to 1, this to 1. If keys are repeated, the last value will override all the previous values. Great. Now see here. Similarly, there are different types of combinations of keys possible. String, number, negative, all are possible. So key is optional. Like here, foo, ba, hello world is there. What is the key for this foo?
0.
0.
0.
So this is optional. If you want to provide, then provide. If you do not want, then do not provide. Now, I already told you that if index is 6 for this element, I have not given. What is the index of this element?
0.
0. What is the index of this element?
1.
I have given 6. What is the index of this element? D.
7. 7, sir.
7. Oh, you people are awesome. Great. You got. Similar, I have given lots of these options here. The area is 1, 1, 1.5 till here, right? So all are
1.
1. So this will be totally disappeared and you will have one is C. Now again you see here true, right? This true is also 1.
Yes.
So it will override
Yes, sir.
this one also, right? So it's all combined concept. Now how you can access the elements of an array? Using a square bracket. I have already demonstrated you in the last session, right? That this is the array, this is the keys, this is the values, this is again key, and within key there is another array. And in this array there is another array, right? So what type of array this one? 1D, 2D or 3D?
3D, sir.
3D. Because to reach here I have to go 3 layers. First layer is this, then second layer, then third layer. So what this will print? Print array foo. What this will print first?
Bar.
Bar. Yes. What this will print? Array 42.
24.
What this will print? Array multi-dimension array.
2.
This one.
Yes, sir.
So clear now how you can access the elements of an array?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great, great. Also, I told you little information given that
Referencing.
dereferencing, right? I have written this function and this function is returning array, right? Now I'm calling this function from here, right? So this will return this complete array. This, when I'll call this function will return complete array. Now if I type here 1, from that array which value it will pick? 2.
2.
The second element will have what value this will have? What is the
2.
value of the second element?
2, sir.
2. Great. Clear dereferencing? Guys, anybody any confusion on this dereferencing? Okay, cool. Now how we can modify, I have also shown to you modify the square bracket syntax. Like here, this is the array 5, at the index 5 there is value 1, at index 12 there is value 2. So what will happen if I add here 56? I have not given any index, what will happen?
It will get the index 13.
It will
Get the index 13.
13, great. Because it will look into what was the last index in this array, right? At 13th index it will add 56.
56.
Now I am giving the index position, index key, or you can say the key. So at that key this value will be stored. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now how you can unset, means remove an element? You have to just write the array name and what? Key. Right? This element will be removed from the array. How we can delete the whole array? What is the function?
Unset.
Unset array. Cool. So there is some different examples are here. Simple array you can create like this, and I've just there is a for each loop. I'll come today on this one how this is working. So it's through looping, it's deleting all the element, right? I'm looping, suppose there is 100 elements, so every time you will try to do this one, not like this. If there is 100 elements in a array and you want to delete 50 elements, if you follow this approach, you have to unset each array with each key. You have to write, but you can do through the loop also. This is the for each loop of PHP, and you can unset the. So basically, this index is dynamically getting from the loop, and I'm putting, and it's unsetting, right? So here you can see an item note that the new key is 5. So I think it's in different context, so forget that. So if you're adding any element, and what it will look into the what is the last index, and accordingly it will add, right? And if you want to re-index any array, you have to use array values. Once you do this will re-indexed. Now here another example is array destructuring. So array can be destructured using this. You see a square bracket. Previously the function was list. What is the meaning of destructuring? I have this array. How many elements are there? 3.
3.
But if I write something like this and give the name of the array here, what will happen? These 3 values will be assigned to the 3 what? variables. See, I'm creating an array. Array 1 I'm creating, sorry, equal to, I'm giving here, you can say orange, then I'm giving red, then I'm giving blue, right? Now if I write something like this, color 1 comma color 2 comma what is this, yes, and color 3, and enclose this in bracket, square bracket, and write here array. Now print or echo, just echo I'm writing color 1. Guys, tell me what will happen here.
I think red.
Color 1 will be
Orange.
smart. You guys are very
Orange.
smart. So you see what is happening. What happened here? Any guess what happened here?
It changes the key to variable. Like orange, we declare orange as a dollar color 1 variable.
So yes, basically these are the values, right? So in destructuring, this is the array here. This basically this is here, na? This one is here, right?
Yes, sir.
So this value assigned to this variable, this value assigned to this variable, and this to this, and then I can use. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Great. So this is, since PHP 8, this is the way. Previously it was like this. It was like this. Sorry. It was like this. What was the name file? Array des. Array underscore des dot php, right? So different versions of PHP had different offerings. So since PHP 7.1, and before that also list was in use, but since PHP 8 now you can use this. No, 1 second. Previously, whether it's a PHP 4, 5 or 7, this was the only available function to destructure. Now from 7.1 they have introduced this square bracket access also, this one. So clear, guys, this one, how array is destructuring?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. This is another example, and here is something happening here you see there is a array, right? And if I want to access, here I am writing for each source array as ID and name, right? So here you can write, you can print the ID and name. So this example is giving how to iterate the array. So in next session when we'll see the for each, we'll see some examples. Also see here one array is there, and three values are here. You see here three values. Now
Yes.
what I'm
Yes, sir.
doing, I'm not given any name to three values, and not given I've given only one variable, meaning I am not giving this. I'm not giving this. So what is the available variable we have? Color 3 only. And
Yes, sir.
and what this will print?
Blue. Blue.
Yeah, obvious blue. Because I'm not interested to get this value. So I have not given the variable name for those. For this and this. I have given variable name for the third position value. So that's why I can get the value of that third position. And see, there are lots of examples are there in when you learn, go to the php.net, and lots of example I have taken from there also. So for if you want to do the mastery in the PHP, go and try lots of example sets they have already written there, right? So as much as you will practice, you will better understanding of what the different aspects or different things, different way an array can work. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So see what is happening here. Can anybody tell me? Here I have this array, right? I have this array, and suppose that I am giving some name to this one. Color 3, right? And if you see what is written there, square bracket, then I'm writing color, then I'm writing here dollar value. Suppose I'm writing here value and assigning this here. Now if we'll print this, what will happen? Anybody can tell me? Sorry, this is color 3. Yeah, tell me.
Will print blue.
Blue. Blue will be printed.
So what we are doing here?
So it will print the value of color 3.
Yes. So I am turning this value as a variable. So when you do the actual your project coding, there will be various scenarios where you have to manipulate or use the array in different way, right? So here what I'm doing, I'm assigning this complete array to here, and from there I'm looking into color 3, and here what the value is there for color 3 is stored in this variable, and I can use and print. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So similarly this one is the same thing, right? Here I have not given any index here, but I am writing it 2 written na here. So 2 is the index of bus. So I have to 2, then a variable, and then assign the array. So what this will print?
Bars.
Bars. Yes. See another example. Sometimes you have to swap two values. So this is a good offering in PHP that your two values are here. Swap dot PHP, right? You are creating a dollar $A equal to 10, dollar $B equal to 20, and if you are writing dollar $B comma dollar $A equal to dollar $A comma dollar $B. Now tell me what will happen now. Anybody?
$A is stored with the value 20 and $B swapped with the value 10.
So we have swapped the values now here.
Yes.
So even your third element also here, something like this, C equal to 30, and here you can write here $C, right? I think,
Semicolon, sir.
oh yeah, right. So if you see swap, right, you see what is the value of A now? 30, because this assigned to this first, this assigned to this one, so I no change for B, but what is the value of A is, what is the value of A is C, and C is,
30, sir.
what is the value of C?
10, sir.
So interesting.
Yes, sir.
So actually this was in Python also, and this is the common thing in both the languages. Something, it's a useful feature and function offered by both the languages. Also, in array there are two functions. One is implode, and there on the explode. So what implode does? Join array elements with a string, right? What is the meaning of this? Suppose that I have I'm writing dollar array equal to just writing some X, Y, Z, A, B, C, J. I'm just writing some string, right? Then I'm writing output str equal to, I'm writing implode, then what? First is this, you see, comma. This is known as delimiter. So I'm writing here delimiter, then the array name, right? So if you print or echo What will happen? Anybody? What happened? Previously it was array, but now it's I have converted that array into what?
String.
String, and with some delimiter. Delimiter means what is the value? What is that special character separating the values? So I can put here, comma is there. I can put here colon. You see, colon is there.
Yes.
I can put here this. You see? So implode first take some delimiter first and then the array name. Then it will give the output a string, and that will each value of the array will be separated by this delimiter. Clear? Implode?
Yes, sir.
Anybody?
Yes.
Anybody? Any confusion in this implode? No confusion? Okay, great. So now I have this array, but instead of array I have one string. So no, do not overwrite this one. I'm creating new file. Explode.php, right? Oh, what is created? Oh, it's created a folder. Explode.php, right? And here I'm just copying, then pasting, then so now I have one string, right?
Yes, sir.
Now I want to convert this string into array. So how I can do this one?
Using Explode.
Using Explode. So this is the separator, the string, and there is a limit. So I'll talk on this. So this is the string separated by a space only, and then I will put a space and then the, so here dollar str underscore array, I'm creating one variable, and then what I'm writing, explode. Then what I'll do, what I want to use from here to create the array. So this one, right? Space. Then this is string name, right? So as this is array, so you'll have to print R, you have to do like this, because echo will not print the array. So you see what we are getting. Previously it was a string, now I'm getting
Array.
array. So in place of, I can remove this comma. Maybe it depends on your string, what type of string you have. So what is the available delimiter here in this string? If I'm converting each word into array, What is available here?
Space.
Space. Exactly, a space. It will still work. Maybe there are chances that you're just looking this and you're putting this. What will happen? How many values are separated?
Up to ABC, I think it will print.
So see what is going to happen. 0 will be XYZ and 1 will be remaining.
Yes, sir.
This one. Now there was another I can have, suppose I am putting here now and writing here 2. So what will happen? XYZ ABCJ. It's not to this one has ignored, right? Because I wanted to explode, but how many number of elements I want to create? 2. So that's why it's created this, and rest of the string part will come into another one. If I'm not giving any number there, this will be the natural working, right? X, Y, G, A, B, C, and J. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now, if I give number 2 here, what will happen? What is the meaning of this number 2? Meaning of this number 2 is the output array will have only 2 elements. So this is the delimiter. See, to look into, first element will be this, and I want only 2 elements. The second element will be the remaining part, whether it's that containing or not containing. Clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Now there are some array and string functions, and this list is very huge. So if you go to your php.manual and go to your php.net documentation, what was the name? Manual en. Suppose that I'm going from here, then types array you see these functions are there. There's a function list. I have also mentioned this one. Each array, you also know about that. Each array, each int, each str, right?
Yes, sir.
You see the list of the function offered by the array. You see the first array change key case, changes the case of all the keys in array. What it means? I have this array, right? So what is happening? What is written here? Print array change key case, right? Then array name, right? And then there is a parameter case upper. So as the name suggests, what it does. The first key is this, second key is this. So this function, which takes input as a string array, change the keys of all the elements to
Capital letters.
uppercase. Yes, right. So array to string conversion in this. Okay, this is the print. Okay, print underscore r. I'm writing. You see what happened? Previously it was this, and now the keys are in uppercase. So this is one of the example I've shown to you. There is long list of the array function like this. You see, array chunk. What it does? Split an array into chunks. मतलब a smaller part. So what is the meaning of this? This is the array. A, B, C, D, E. 5 elements are there. What I did? Array chunks, input array name and 2. I have given 2. It means it will break the array in 2 elements. This, and remaining this. You see the output? At 0 index, another AB is added. At first index, CD is there, and third index. So it's create array within array. This is also array, na? This was my main array, and it's create another array, this one, at this position. And this element holds how much element? This array holds how much elements?
2 elements.
2, because I have given 2 here. So clear about array chunk? Guys,
Yes, sir.
now what is the index of this A, B, C, D, E? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But if you see here, index is changed. A is 0 now, B is 1, right? Again new array created, C is 0, D is 1. So if you write here true after the index, so it will retain the original index. You see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It will still create new array of that size in each, but what it is doing here, if writing true, if I am writing true, what is happening?
Retains the previous index.
Yeah, return the previous index. So the list is very long. So like see here, this is the one array column function, right? So I have this array, right? It's array within arrays, right? So main array is this. This array contains ID, first name, last name. Within that, another array which contains ID different value. This is different value. This is different value. So you clear about this array? Guys, you are clear about this array? It's array within array, and there are lots of elements are there, right? Now,
Yes, sir.
yes. Now suppose that I want all the names from this array. All the names. So I'll write array column, then array name, first name, first name, first name, first name, first name. If you print this one, first names, it will print all the first names. You see? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So this is array column function. So lots of functions are there. You just go and keep trying how, like I'm showing you the example. You can just copy this each example in your browser, notepad or VS Code, and run and see what is happening. Change the value and see what is happening, right? Array combine creates an array by using one array of keys, another of the value. Array combine means I have this array, green, red, yellow. I have this array, avocado, apple and banana. If I'm doing combine and passing these two array, and if assigning to the third variable c is also array. So once you combine, this will become key and this will become values. So you got how array combine working?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
if you have two arrays and if you are doing array combine, one array will be used as the key and another array will be used as the
Value.
value. So combined, you will get the third array, which will have, this will be the key and this will be the value. You see third array? Now green avocado, red apple, yellow banana. Clear, guys, what the array combine does?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So when you do actual programming, actual project work, you get lots of data. Sometimes you have to manipulate, sometimes you have to merge. So there are lots of array functions you can use. So look into this and practice each one, how this all the functions works, right? Suppose you want to sort an array, like here is an AR sort. This is a sort. How it's working? I have this one, right? I have this array, and you see what is used? AR sort. AR short, then dollar fruits. Print R.
Sir, equal, sir.
Sorry.
Use print or equal, sir.
Sorry, my screen is not visible.
No, sir. I'm audible, sir.
Yes, you are audible.
Visual, sir.
You want to say something?
Sir. Yes, sir. You use print and equal, sir. Okay.
Could you repeat again? I'm unable to hear you properly.
Yes, sir. I'm audible, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, use print or echo, sir.
Here, this is array. So array is not going to echo through the echo, right? So if you want to presentable form, you want to print the array, you have to always use the print R, right?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So you see here, what is happening here? D lemon, A orange, B banana, C apple, right? The lemon, orange, banana, apple. Now see. see, 1 second. ADC. 1 second. It's something fruits. Yes, sort. 1 second.
Sir, short spelling.
Sorry. 1 second. I'm writing something wrong. AR shorts. So 1 second. See, here is a lemon, right? But if you see, what is the output? Same thing I've written, AR sort, right? Here you see A orange, D lemon, B banana, C apple. Oh, on the same tab. You see A, previously A was here. Now if you see, print this one. Through the loop. Basically this is whenever type in a reverse, I used mistakenly this reverse one, so we have to use this only A sort. So if you print this one, now see the value: apple, banana, lemon, orange. Clear?
Yes.
Apple, banana, lemon, orange, right? The problem with the example I have shared with you, it's what it's doing: apple, banana, lemon, orange, and there was a AR sort. AR sort means reverse.
Reverse.
Only if I put the R here, right now it's showing in order apple, banana, lemon and orange. And if I refresh this, orange, lemon, banana, apple, right? So this list is very long. You see, this is AR sort, then sort, and compact, count. Count is very important. Suppose that you want to know the length of your array, right? Suppose items, you want to know how many items in this array. What will you use? Count, and then function array name, right? So this is single value, you can just print echo. You see, 4 elements are there in that array. 1, 2, 3, 4. So guys, this is task for you. Try each and every functions of this array, each and every, and see what is happening. By name it's already clear what everyone does, but you have to at least once practice this one. This is also very important if you want to know the last element of an array. See, this is the array, and if you print ind, just writing ind and passing the array, it's returning what?
Last year.
End value.
Last value.
Last value, right? Also, in array, it checks that if any value existing in this array is not. Like here, I have this array, right? And Mac, NT, IRIX, Linux is there. I'm typing if in array. I'm searching this in my array. if this is there, print something. For example, element found. So what is the meaning of this? Let me write, then you will, if in array I'm trying to search something. Suppose I'm searching anti. Where? In OS. You go to the syntax what I'm writing in, what is, how I'm using in array.
Yes, sir.
Then echo nt is in OS list. Nt is in OS list or not?
In OS list.
Yes, sir.
Now if
Yes,
I
sir.
now if I change this one, what will happen? Is NTS is available in this OS list?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So you see, in array is very useful function. You can check any value from the array. Similarly, key exists. You can check if there is a key is existing or not existing. Different types of sortings are there. For the count, use the number of elements. You can also use this size of shuffle. You can shuffle an array. All element will be like shuffled. So there are lots of functions are there, and of array is there. So go and use. I think someone has already used this one, array sum. Right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And you can reverse an array. Array reverse typing. This is the array, and reversing, it will reverse your array. Reverse array elements. Array search. This is also very important function. This is the array. 0 at blue, 1 at 1 red, at 2 green, at 3 red. So array search, I am searching green. So first green is here. What will be the index? 2. So array index what returns? Index. Array search what does? Gives the whatever you're searching, a string or any element, the position of that key, right? What is the value of key for this element? I'm searching red. What value I'm getting?
1.
3.
But red is also here. So it will always give the first finding index. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, it will give the key value or index value.
Right now it's a key 1. Once. Key and index are the same thing, na? Here I have given, that's why I'm telling the index or key I'm telling you, right?
No, sir. If we give the key value as 2 for red, so it will give the index value as 1 or the key value as 2.
One second. This was my example, right? Here I'm searching, I'm removing all, right? Now what will happen? I'm searching green. array search green from array, right? So it will look into green. Where this green is? At which position? Second position.
Second position.
So it will return the index. Let us see.
2.
Yeah. Echo 2, right? Clear, guys? First one.
Yes, sir.
Who was asking that question?
Sir, Ashutosh.
Ashutosh. So, Ashutosh, any confusion here or clear now?
Sir, can you give the key values and show us once?
So, yeah, you wanted to give the key value, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm giving this color, right? Now see what
Yes.
will happen. You see? One is whatever the key value I'm supplying, that will return. If I'm not giving any key, what is the numeric key is there, that will come.
Okay, sir, understood.
What will happen in this case? I have not given any index.
3.
1, because here
Okay, sir, got it.
here 0 1 red is there na, first finding here. Now I've changed this one, red 1. Now see, you see? Clear, guys? I'm looking for your acknowledgement.
Yes, sir, clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Great.
Yes, sir.
So for you have to do lots of exercise. Examples are there. Go learn. Lots of information you will get also, right? So when you will learn with each functions. So you all do, right? Guys, I'm looking for commitment from you guys.
Yes, sir.
So you are committing that you will try each and every function.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great.
Yes, sir.
I know you people are very fulfill your commitment. Very nice. Now, similarly, there is string functions are also. String functions. I think someone has already tried that string functions, right? Sub-str or str.
Yes, sir.
Types, I think str. String functions list. Manual en, then ref dot strings dot php. You see this list, string functions. This list is also very important, very useful, right? See this add classes. You see this overlay is written. Now suppose I'm writing this one, and just I'm writing echo here, I written both. So sometimes now, whenever you store value in database, you will not exactly save the comma, or it will start to give some error. If that is just like this, right? So we'll always use the add slashes. One slash will be added there. So here it's not coming. One slash should come here. Let me give you another example. Now see this one. Like this one. Is your name O really question? Here is the single inverted comma single one, right? You see here? Visual?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now if you echo, same thing will be echo on your browser. Here whatever I'm trying to print, it's printing, right? Printing, right? But I've used the function of a string function add slashes. So what add slashes does, when you will see that any inverted comma or any extra comma inside that one, it will add a slash, so that one slash will be added while you save the data in the database. Your query will not throw any error. So you will not able to save directly like this. You will have to always use the slash, add slashes. Clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So some library already pre-built support when you insert any data, no need to do add slashes. Automatically they take care of this. But if you're writing your custom code and inserting data in database, if you insert exactly what is written here, it will throw error. Then you have to put the add slash here. But when you are displaying this string to the user, getting from data from the database, you have to remove this. So to remove this, suppose that I am str2 creating add slashes, then I'm creating str3 strip slashes. What it's doing, whatever data is stored in the database, and if any slash is coming from that, it will remove. So this was my original string. I have added slashes. This slash I have added so that it can easily saved into my database. It's saved in the database, but when you get from database to display to the user, what you have to do? Remove again. And for that you have to use what?
Slashes.
Strip slashes. So try out. There are lots of functions are also there in for the string, right? So you also see echo. What is the meaning of echo in detail? Join, implode. I've already talked to you. Print, printf, sprintf, scanf, str contains. What is the meaning of this? Str contains. Like in array, we seen na in array. Similarly, str contains. Like this is the string. Like this, this is the string, right? And within that, I'm checking a particular substring is existing or not. This is my string. I'm using the function str contains. I'm writing this. Let me write for you how this is working. This is my string, right? And from that I want to check a particular string existing or not existing. So what we'll do, if what I'll write, str
Contains.
str contains, why it's not taking, yes, str contains, then the string,
$string.
yeah, $string, and then what I want to find. Suppose fox I want to find. So this will return true or false.
True, sir.
No, I'm telling that's when this will run, either it will return true or false. Fox found. Right? But what happens if I change this to F? Not found. Why? So the search is case sensitive or case insensitive?
Case sensitive.
Case sensitive.
Sensitive.
Case sensitive. So you have another task to do, to practice what? What, guys?
All string functions.
String functions.
All string function. Do you think are we able to complete this list in 1 day or 2 day? Combinedly array and string. See, this documentation is very awesome and you can use this one. What this UC first does? UC first. Anybody?
First character will be turned into
First
uppercase.
character uppercase.
Yes. If this is the sentence, this UC first will capitalize this H. Clear? UC first and word wrap, you can see this one str. Translate characters or replace substring. What it means? Translates or what? Replace. I have this is string, right? BAB Bob AB 01, and within that what I'm trying to do, in this string look at this and replace with what? 01.
0.
Got my point?
Yes, sir.
This is another thing. Now this is created an array AB at position AB 01. So it's taking a string and using this array, this rule. In this rule, what's written? At AB you should put,
C1.
yeah, at AB there is 01 in this array. So what will happen if you put the str function, typing BAAB and then typing this array, means BA will come here And for this AB, what will happen?
Changes to 0, 1.
Changes to 0, 1. So basically this is looking at this as a key, right? And what is the value? 0, 1. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Cool. So try out str to lower, str to upper. What it does, str to lower? First,
Changes the string to lowercase.
yes, make the string to lowercase. Like this was the string. Now this is printing complete string in this case. Str to upper, make the string uppercase. This is the string, it's and applying this function, converting it to uppercase. There is also strpos. So this one is equivalent to that in array. How? You see, str position, find the position of the first occurrence of a substring in a string, right? What it means? You have this string ABC and you want to find A. What will write? What is happening? I have to find the position of A in ABC. $POS equal to, then what I'll write? str
POS.
POS. Guys, I'm repeating with you because I wanted to make sure that you are looking these important functions, useful functions. Then first I'll type the my string where I am looking for, and here what I am looking for. So what is the index, what is the position of A here? This also,
0.
yeah, this also treats as like array. In this string, it's also treat,
Same.
yeah, it's like index, like treat index. You see here, 0 is returning. So strings are also stored in this way. Means the meaning of this is if there is hello world, so this is also stored in this way. So this h is at which index?
0.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
this is the string are also stored in this way. So if you're doing any string manipulations, I want to find BC. Now it's not like just you can find particular character. You can find the substring also. What will happen here? You see, at what position this BC is starting?
First position.
First positions. So it's your choice. What are you looking for? I can search India from here also. So it will look into where that I is starting. I is starting at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So clear how this steer POS work, steer position?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
excuse me, sir.
Yes, please. Who is?
Tarini.
Dharni, yes, please.
Sir, instead of assigning it to my find me, can we directly search for the element's position?
Yes, I can directly write this. Just go here and type here. Right?
Yes, sir.
No issue. Finally, we are giving some values there, na? You see, again it's returning 9.
Yes, sir.
I'm typing Bangalore, just bang I've written. 14 is returning, right? Starting from 14 index.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So I think we are clear about string and arrays, right? And for you guys, again I'm telling you, as much as you will use these two arrays and string functions, built-in function from the PHP, your life will be very easy, right? So go practice each and every functions. See, there are lots of examples also given, some tutorials, some theoretical things are written there. So watch and practice those functions. Alright guys then. So let's have a